Hey, welcome back to the channel. So a couple of months ago, I was commissioned to make some wall panels. So these wall panels are normally found in the Millennium Falcon. And here's my edition of them. Now they were liked so much that I was asked to make another set. So that's what this video is about.
I start out by cutting multiple boards. 3 of them are going to be the base, and then I have some that I double up and laminate to make a thicker board, which you'll see in a moment. Next, I bevel the thicker boards on all 4 sides. Next, I use the palm sander to round over the corners, because on the original design, those are all rounded. So this is what that looks like. Then it's off to the CNC to begin making some pockets where all the details are going to go on the main panel part. And here's the final result of that. I then use a circle template to make the corners rounded. So once again, I'll use the palm sander and round up to the marks here. Looking at the original design, there is this right angle pipe fitting, and they still sell these today. So I bought a couple of those. As you can see here, I'm just tracing. I had to think about it for a second. Yeah, tracing. And then I use the Forster bit to cut out the hole. Smooth. And then go ahead and screw this into place. Now it comes with a little washer that I'm going to use on the back side. That way this doesn't get moved out of place. I put some nylon standoffs there, and then I got some smaller wood screws, which will not only help keep this from spinning around, but also lock down the conduit once that's put in place. I then drill 4 identical holes in each corner, and this will help attach the panels to the wall. Now it's time to attach the blocks that I made earlier to the main panel. Next up, I used some BIN primer. That way all the pores of the MDF will get nice and clogged up so it won't absorb all the paint. Then I put a base color of black, high gloss black, because I plan to put on silver on top of that. This will give it a nice metallic look. While that's drying, I decided to print up some Greblies.
Now hold on. I was almost done making them, but then I was told to change it up a little bit. So I made this. Basically added some more Greblies. I was not happy with this design, so I decided to just on a whim go to AI, ChatGPT, and see what it would create. And it one-upped me. Big time. So I said, okay, all right. Maybe I can take this image to one of those AI to 3D programs and make a 3D file out of this. And this is what that looks like. From there, I took it to the slicer, let it repair the model, and then it was off to the resin printer. And here we are. So now it's time to put down a base color and start painting this thing up.
Now these parts didn't need any priming, so I just went straight to painting the base color of black. Then once things dried, I started doing a little bit of placement before I go on to the painting stage. And that's when I use liquid chrome. Like that? Yeah. So liquid chrome is like painting with solder. It's pretty amazing. The video does not do it justice. And I know this is supposed to be used with an airbrush, but I didn't feel like masking anything, so here I am just brushing it on. I gotta tell you, it's pretty hard not to get carried away with this paint and just paint everything chrome. So then I used a white acrylic paint pen because there are some spots on here that need to be painted red, and as you know, if I try to paint red on top of black, it won't be as vibrant. So I had to go through and trying to be careful not to get any on the sides, and then here's the red paint afterwards, which I totally got messy with. Afterwards, I went back through with some matte black paint and touched up all my mistakes. Finally, I used this paint on rust color just to add a little bit of rust and wear and tear. I was told not to overdo it, so this is just about right. And now, here's the reveal. So thanks for watching this short video. I hope you like these panels. They're pretty easy to make. Learned some new tools along the way with AI, and I think everything came out all right. Hopefully the client feels the same. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.